Guys, today I'm in Little India. We're going to get the best samosas in Penang you can ever find lah. This is really like the best samosas ever. I ate some a few days ago. Now Ketagih, I want to eat more. So let's go and get some. So the store is here, the corner of Lebuh Pasar and King Street. Just around the corner, the second store on the left. Fantastic. Hey, here we are. We have samosa, chicken, egg, fish. Bos, ada kambing hari ni?
Ada.
Kambing kasih 2, chicken 5, telur 5. They also have different sweet stuff also, and freshly fried lah. Very good. Oh, there's a masala tea here. Can I have one, please? Oh. Masala tea. Yes, please, hot one. Thank you. Wait, Okay, so we're back in the car. Because it's Ramadan, not good to eat outside, so I'm going to try it. This is really wonderful. We had this, I think, 3 days ago, and I tell you, I can't really sleep dreaming of having this again. So today we came back to Little India, Lebuh Pasar and King Street Junction, as I showed you just now. And one of my favorite is the egg one. I like the egg and also the kambing. Where's kambing? Crunchy and just right. Oh yeah. This is so nice. Perfect for afternoon tea. And I also got the masala tea, which should go well with this. Hope nobody is watching outside. Kambing. Masala tea also goes very well with the samosas. A bit spicy and with the spices and the heat. Not herbs, spices. So it goes. Yeah. So highly recommend you to get the tea if you're having the samosas in your car like this. Have a sip after your meal. So my favorite was the lamb lah. The lamb samosa was really good. I think it costs a little bit more than the chicken or the egg, but the egg also is pretty good lah. So if you're in Little India and Penang, just drop by, have a snack here. I guarantee you won't regret.